Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will see what is the manual software testing, key concepts of manual testing, types of manual testing, common tools for test management, then example of test case, then advantages of manual testing, and last we will see disadvantages of manual testing. So let's start it. So first of all, what is the manual software testing? So manual software testing is the process of manually checking software for defects. In this approach, a tester plays the role of an end user and verifies that all the features of the applications are working expected by executing test cases without the use of automation tools. So manual testing is nothing but the checking the application working as expected by executing test cases without use of automation tools. So now we'll see the key concepts of manual testing. So a few important concepts like test case creation, test execution, defect reporting, verification and validation. These are some important concepts in manual testing. So test case creation is nothing but tester write test cases based on requirement to verify functionality. Test execution is nothing but tester manually follow the steps in test case and compare the actual results with expected result. Defect reporting is nothing but any discrepancies found are logged as a defects or bugs in defect tracking tool like Jira. Then verification and validation. So in case verification is nothing but ensuring the product is being built correctly, static testing like reviews, walkthroughs, and validation is nothing but ensuring the right product is built, actual testing. So verification is the process we can follow in early stages by different static testing like reviews, walkthroughs, because we are ensuring the product is being built correctly. And validation, after the verification stage we can do validation. Here ensure the right product is built or actual testing we can say. So that's about the manual software testing. So now we'll see that all these concepts of key concepts of manual testing. So now we'll see some types of manual testing. So generally a functional test and non-functional tests are non-functional is for tool based, but functional testing covered all types of manual testing. So smoke testing, sanity testing, regression testing, exploratory ad hoc testing, and user acceptance testing. These are some manual testing types. So smoke testing is nothing but initial testing to check whether the build is stable. Sanity testing is not focused testing to verify specific functionality after changes. Regression testing is nothing to retesting unchanged part to ensure they work after the changes. Exploratory testing is nothing informal testing without test cases. Tester explore the application, not any predefined test cases. Ad hoc testing is random, unstructured testing. User acceptance testing is performed by end users to validate the system. We can call it as UAT. So now we'll see some common tools for test management. So Jira is the issue and project tracking. Then TestRail or QTest, these are the test case management tool. Then Excel, Google Sheets used for simpler test planning. So these all about the common tools. Now we'll see some examples of a test case. So here is the simple test case where login functionality with valid credential. So test case ID TC underscore 001 is the ID. Then title of our test case is login functionality with valid credential. Then precondition. So here user is on login page is the precondition. Then steps, in step enter valid username, valid password, click login. These are the steps. Expected result, user is redirected to dashboard. Actual result to be filled after execution, and status is the pass or fail. So this is a normal test case with login functionality with valid credential. These are some important points. Title, precondition, steps, expected, actual result, and status. These are the titles, and these are some parameters where we can determine our test case is pass or fail. So now we'll see the advantages of manual testing. So cost effective for small projects, useful for exploratory and UI testing, good for short term projects, helps uncover unexpected issues. Then disadvantages of manual testing, that time consuming and repetitive, prone to human errors, and not ideal for large scale or regression testing. So these about the manual software testing. We saw what is manual software testing, key concepts of manual testing. Also you see types of manual testing. Also you see some common tools for test management. Then example of a test case. Then advantages, and last we saw disadvantages. So that's about the today's video.